Welcome to this video on multiplying fractions by fractions using visual representation. Here we'll be looking at how do we demonstrate half of a third. So we have a third there and we're trying to find half of a third. So half of a third will give us 1/6. Swapping the fractions round, let's look at how we find a third of a half. So we have a half, and we're trying to find a third of a half, which again will give us 1/6. So from the visual representation, we can see that a half of a third and a third of a half gives us 1/6. How do we work this out without visual representation? Now, if we remember to say a half of a third means we say a half multiplied by 1/3. And remembering in multiplying our fractions, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. So we have the answer as 1/6. Again, for a third of a half, we multiply 1/3 times a half. Again, using the same method, we have the answer as 1/6. Now let's look at the demonstration of 2/5 of 2/3. So we have 2/3 here, and we're trying to find 2/5 of 2/3. So we're dividing this into 5 equal parts, and we're finding 2/5 of that. And this will leave us with 4/15. Visually, we can see that 2/5 of 2/3 gives us 4/15. Now, let's see how we'll work this out without visual representation. So we have 2/5 multiplied by 2/3. Again, we'll multiply the numerators and denominators, and we get 4/15. Now, we're going to be looking at how we multiply fractions, proper fractions, and giving our answer in the simplest form without visual representation. So having our fractions, we multiply the numerators and denominators, and we get 15/28. So this can't be simplified any further, so that's our answer. Now let's look at example 2. Now to work this out, one way is to multiply the numerators and denominators first, and we get 20/80. Now this is not in the simplest form, so we're going to simplify it by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 20. This will give us 1/4, which is 1/4. Now with reference to the same example 2, let's look at it using a different method. So we have our fractions, but we can observe that we can cancel out some values. So we simplify this by saying that 5 can go into 5 once, so we'll have our 1 there, and 5 can go into 5 there, and we get 1 as well. And also 4 can go into 4 and get 1, and 4 can go into 16 to give us 4. Now we can multiply out. 1 times 1 will give us 1, and 4 times 1 will give us 4, which gives us the answer of 1/4 as well. Now you may pause and try the 3 questions presented. And now you can check your answers. Well done. Keep on learning. Don't forget to click the like button, press the notification bell, and subscribe for more of our daily videos.